So you'd like to reserve some equipment? Great! Reservations can be made at connect2.oasis.unc.edu or by clicking the Make a Reservation button in the banner of the Media Art Space website. Log in using your Onion. Then click Book comm equipment. You're in! From this page, you can begin adding equipment to your cart. If you'd like to filter the results so that they'll only show equipment you're eligible to check out, select the course or courses you're enrolled in from the sidebar. Now Connect2 will only show you the gear you're able to reserve. Add the items you want to use to your cart. If you add something by accident, click on your basket and alter the number of items, or click Remove. Click your basket again to close. When you're ready, hit the Create Booking button. From here, you will be able to select your reservation time. Right now, reservations can be up to 3 days long, and the checkout room is closed on Wednesdays. Keep in mind that right now we don't offer same-day bookings, so it's going to be important to make your bookings in advance. If the time or date that you're selecting is grayed out, it means that eCore is closed and you cannot check out or return equipment during that time. If you'd like additional information on how long a booking can last, click the How Long Can I Book For dropdown. Set the date and time you'd like to pick up your equipment, and do the same for your return. Click Update. Connect2 will tell you if the booking you have selected is too long and will recommend other times that fit within the 3-day booking rule. Please make sure that you are not in class or otherwise occupied during your checkout or return times, as missing these is the easiest way to get a violation. Once you've set your times, click Next. Make sure to check the Honor Pledge box, as you will not be able to check out your equipment without acknowledging this responsibility. Click Next. This page will verify your booking, allowing you to double-check your checkout and return times and the equipment you are reserving. If everything looks good, hit Submit. And remember, nothing is reserved until you've hit this button. Once you do, you'll receive a confirmation email. Congrats! Your gear is booked. You can edit your booking up until 11:59 p.m. the night before checkout. If you need to make a change and you're still on the booking confirmation page, click the reference number. It's hyperlinked in blue. From here, you can edit or delete your booking using the options on the sidebar to the right. To edit your booking from the home screen, look above the booking button to the green icon that says One Active Booking. From here, you will click the blue reference number and use the same sidebar to edit or delete your booking. You can make bookings in advance for the whole semester, so remember to plan ahead. And voila! You've learned all the ins and outs of booking with Connect2. We'll see you at checkout.